Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have done many of the things using all the different languages, and I hope you enjoy that all stuff which we have done here. So today we are working on Java, and today we will be just working on practical work using Java. Like in the previous videos, I've telling you how to just design in Java, how to do designing in Java. Then we have worked on files and folders in Java, and I hope you understand that all stuff. But today in this video, I will be telling you that how you can just work with Java from start to end and what project we are building using Java, because you all know that we are doing Java and React videos one day and one day. So today we are doing Java video, and today we'll be building an amazing practical project, and it will be first project of Java which we are building. So I hope you'll be enjoying this video. If you enjoy, understand this, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things, because I'll be uploading more videos like that in future. And remember to share this video as well, so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And remember to check out my all the previous videos which I have uploaded using many of the different languages. Like I've just built projects using React, and I've also built projects using HTML, CSS like languages. And previously on, we have built many of the clones using Next.js 13, and I hope you enjoy that all this stuff. So moving forward, I'll be building more projects using all the different languages, and I hope you'll be enjoying that as well. But today we'll be working with our own project, and today I will be telling you that how we can just work on this project, and I hope you'll be understanding our today's Java project. So now we'll be starting with our video, and now we'll be seeing that how we can just work on Java and what project today we are building in this video from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project using Java, and today we are working on our practical project. So now we'll be starting with our today's project of Java which we are building. So now we'll be starting with our project. So for building this amazing project with Java, here I will be opening my VS Code, because I was just using in the previous video when we were just doing designing on Java. So I was just working on the text editor which is called, you can say this one was our text editor. If I show you, so we were just using the text editor which is called Node. So we were just using this Node.js. First of all, we just use this Notepad. Then I was just moving on to this NetBeans, and we were using NetBeans IDE, in which I've telling you how you can design. But when we are doing coding, so VS Code is the good text editor for that. So because of that, I'm using VS Code here to do the codes of my work which I'm building today. So today we are just building an amazing project, and today I will be telling you that how we can just build a amazing project of information system in this amazing, you can say Java. So Java is also a backend work, so we have to start things from backend here. So I will be now just renaming this file, because I've just by mistake written here React. So now I've just written it the name as Java. Now when you've just given this the name, so here we are getting all this file. So in Java we can also not just do side by side, because in Java it is the backend work. So when we just do codes of our work, then we can just move on to more things which we want to do. So this is the thing which we can do in Java. So because of that, we will be not just moving on to directly, you can say, onto the you can say right hand browser, because in Java it is a backend work like I'm telling you, and you can just not use here. So because of that, we can just not work here, but you can just use many other things in Java here. Like you can just work with many of the other projects which you want to work, and all the things using just Java. So here this is the main file which I have just opened. So you can just use this main file here as it is. So now you can just move on to this app.js, or you can say this file here. So here you can just start all the codes, because we will be doing the work with here. So I will be now just moving on to my main file. So here you can just start all the codes here. So here I will be now just doing all the things which I want to do here. So this is my main file, and then we have to start the codes for here. So I will be now closing these all things which we are getting here. Then after removing this here, I will be moving here as well, and removing the things from here also. Then simply I will be just moving on to just, you can say, this file and save it. Then you have to move on to this app.js and remove things from here as well. Save this file. After saving these all files, we have to now start the code, so we can just write our things which we want to write here. So first of all, we have to now just write the tag here. So I will be now just moving on to this file here. After moving to this file here, I will be now just moving this index onto this index.js. And first of all, we have to start the code. So we can just not do it side by side, because in Java we cannot do work side by side. So I will be now importing React, because we are working with Java. So first of all, we will be importing React in Java. When we are just doing designing in Java, so we have to use React in that as well. So now I will be just importing from React. Then I will be writing import React DOM. So I will be now directly writing import React DOM from React DOM. So I will be now writing this. After writing here, I will be now just moving down and writing here this slash index.css, which is our file name in Java from which we'll be doing styling. So now I will be writing import app from, then I'll be writing backslash app. Now close it. Now I will be importing service worker here. So I will be writing service worker. So here you have to now just write here service worker, and then I will be now importing this service worker from service worker like this. Then you have to close it, move down right here React DOM. So I will be now just writing here React DOM, and then write here dot render. After writing this dot render, I will be writing here app. Then you have to just write here comma document dot get element by id. Then I will be now just writing here this tag like this. Then I will be just here I will be writing root. Then you have to close this, and I'll be now just writing here service worker. Then I will be now just writing unregistered, and then open close it like this. Then you have to now directly save it, and you can see we have just done with that all stuff. So I will be now directly doing one thing here, like I will be now just saving this file here directly. So I will be now just saving this, and now when you've just written this thing, so you have to move to your index.css file, so we can just style our Java file which we have done the work of. So I will be now just simply writing here body tag. Then here I will be just writing margin 0, and you have to now just write here padding 0. Here directly you can create font family, which should be system UI and Apple system, all this thing. Then in this here I will be writing font smoothing, and in font smoothing I will be just writing NTLS. So here you have to write NTLS like this. Then after writing this thing here, I will be just doing one thing. I will be now closing. First of all, I want to check it has been closed or not. So just I will be moving here. So I will be now closing it by writing this tag. After closing this thing here, you have to just move down right here mos-oxx. So here I will be writing OSX. Then you have to write font smoothing, and in font smoothing I will be writing grayscale. Then close this thing right here code font family. Then in font family I will be writing source code like this, and then you have to now just write dash code pro, and here you have to just write Menlo, comma. Then I will be now just writing Monaco, comma, and write here console as, comma, and write here courier. So here I will be now just writing courier new. And now when you've just written this, I will be now writing here comma, and then you have to write here mono space. So here I will be writing. Then you have to save it. You can see we have just written that all stuff. Now here we have to just do the things in app.js so we can make it good looking. So I will be moving to app.js. Then you have to write here import React here. And after importing this, I will be now just writing here comma, and you have to now again write the component of Java. So I have written this in bracket component of Java. Then again from this component I will be importing React. Now I will be just now writing here slash app.css, which is our file name of Java. Then I will be importing here user form, and after just building this user form, I will be now just writing here dot slash component, and in component I will be now just writing here slash user form. And after writing this user form, you have to write class app extends, and then you have to write here component like this. Then move down right here render, make the bracket, then move down. Here I will be writing return, and in return I will be making this bracket, and write here div class name is equals to app. Then close this, and then here I will be just writing user form, and after writing user form you have to write slash and close this. Then you have to just move down right here export default. Then I will be now just writing export default app by writing this tag. Now you have to save this thing here. Then you have to now just write the app.css code, so we can just start the things from there as well. So we have to check we have just written all these things. Okay, so these all things has been written here. So we have to now just write this app.css. So I will be now writing dot app, right here text align center. So I will be now just writing here like this text align center. Then you have to just write dot app logo, and here you have to write animation, which should be like app. So here I will be now writing app dash logo. Then I will be now just writing here spin infinite, and after writing this infinite here I will be now just writing here 20 as linear, and after writing this just you have to write here height 40 pmin. So I will be now just writing here. Then you have to write here app header, and here you have to write background color, and in background color you have to write 282C34. Then you have to just write here min height, and in min height I will be writing 100 ph. Then you have to write here display flex. And after writing flex, you have to write flex direction column, and then you have to just write here align items which should be center. Then you have to write here justify content, and here I will be now just moving, and then write here justify content which should be centered. Then write here font size and write here calc, and in calc I'll be writing 10 pixel plus 2 women. Then close it. Here you have to write color white, and you have to just move down, write here app link and write here color which should be like this tag, and write here 61DAFB. Then you have to just write here @keyframes, and then you have to just write here app dash logo. Then I will be writing here spin. Here you have to just move down, right here from transform. So here I will be now just writing here right here rotate, and then right here 0 degree. You have to close it now, and after closing this, here you have to write to tag and then right here transform. And after writing transform, I will be now just writing here rotate right here 360 degree. And then you have to now just do one thing, like you have to directly save it, and then when you will be running this, so your project will be ready of Java which we have built. So today, like I've telling you, we have just built this amazing project here. So now for running, I will be moving on to my terminal. Then I will be writing here npm install, and for writing the Java command, you have to write npm start like we do in React. So we have to use same code in Java as well. So when you write here npm start, so your code will be running here. So directly you have to write, and then you have to directly start your code. So you can move to public file, and directly from there as well you can just start your code, or you can directly run it by writing this by running this app.js file, or by running the app.java file by double clicking it, or by right clicking and open it in the live server. So like this you can just build this amazing project of Java. So I hope you understand how you can build a backend information system in Java. And if you have understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn, and I'll be uploading more videos like that, and I hope you'll be enjoying that. And I hope you enjoyed today's video as well. So if you have enjoyed, remember to like, subscribe, notification bell you have to it, so you can just see all the future videos. Share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. So just I'll be meet you next project and with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.